been really busy this week trying to get some scrapbooking caught up. These are actually from 2017, these pictures, but I've been using the Close to My Heart Workshops Your Way. These are my most favorite kits, but there's always a little bit left over, so I just wanted to show you how I take the strips, they're double-sided, which is awesome, and make this page of paper strips. I just adhere the strips onto the 12 by 12 piece of white cardstock so that I can make some cool card backgrounds.